Hey guys, let's move towards the next example that is like in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, draw the relative frequency distribution table for the given data. So similarly, as in previous example, we have gone through creating the name and add random numbers from 1 to 100. So here, this we know like a frequency, how to get it frequency as seen in previous video. And relative frequency is nothing but just this frequency. We have to divide it by the number of frequency or data inputs. Like student 1 to 50 are there. So if we get 4 by 50, that will be like calculator will take that is 0.8. Okay. Now without wasting the time, I already copied the data from the previous table. We have got this count also. But we'll get this frequency once again. Like how we are going to get it? Like select all these columns, all these cells, and go here and type equal to frequency. Double click on the frequency preview. Here we have to select the data array, that is from this table, from this column to this cell to this cell. And next, here is a column. Now bins array. Bins array in the sense we have to select the upper limits where you are given. Okay, after that, close the bracket, control shift, hold it, and press enter. We have got the frequency. Okay, that is count. Now next, relative frequency is like just we have to select equal to, type equal to 9, or else F2 divided by number of frequencies 50. Here we got the answer. Just hold it, drag it from the corner, all the things like 8 we have got. Simply we'll 8 divided by 50 is 0.16. Here it is verified. So we can monitor this, and we can modify the design changes, and we can add the tables borders like this, all border. Okay, bold, increase the font size. So this is all about the relative frequency. So we'll go through next example in next video. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.